Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CISSP course. I am Susil Das. I have more than 9 plus of experience in this cybersecurity domain. I have worked with multiple industries like healthcare, telecom, banking sectors. I have worked with multiple, OTs and ITs environment, your healthcare environment, and I have did lots of red teaming activity, IT audits, cyber security assessment, network security, network architecture review, source code review, and many more to execution with the higher landscapes. So I have did certifications like CISSP, OSCP, CHFI, JCHNP, CEH, and many more as per the required industry practices. Okay, I have expertise with more hands-on with ethical hacking, cyber forensics, fraud investigations, threat intelligence, as well as I have worked with multiple compliance governance perspective. Last couple of years I have helping with CISOs, CTIOs, CXOs, and other leadership roles where I can enhance their cyber security postures, help them to implement lots of variable landscape. We have faced lots of challenges as per the zero-day attack, ransomware attack, many more, and that we have more hands-on to enhance our cyber security field as well as how we can implement our strategy to reducing the risk that we also covering in this entire course. So the benefit of CISSP certification. See again, guys, I just highlighted to you that I am not only who can focusing on this CISSP certifications or CISSP course. Whatever the course syllabus is there, definitely we can cover more than that. More than that, because I have did more than 1500 plus red team activity, more than we have completed 150 plus IT audits, more than we have helping lots of leadership roles. So I have more hands-on with to understand what could be the strategy to we can take and remediate that assessment that would be for any of the landscape. So definitely I can enhance myself, and whatever I know I can try to give you the entire clarity and share all of my experience what I have did till date yet. Okay, so my primary goal here is, again I told you that the course will definitely cover, but we can cover a comprehensive understanding of the information security concept and practices, where you are seasoned cybersecurity expert looking for obtaining any certifications, or if you have working for any ground, any of the organizations, that you will be get a better clarity to take this forward. And majorly I'm focusing for enhance your thoughts perspective. That could be a threat, that could be a finding, governance perspective, risk perspective. So I assure you that I can try to the thought process, because CISSP is not only for guy who can know the conceptual and did the review all those things, but majorly here what could be your mindset actually. So CISSP always drill that the mindset, the leadership mindset is something going to attack. So what would be your you know plan of actions, or do you have any your backup plan? What would be your strategy to reduce the risks, or you know determine the risks? That is the approach. See here, definitely we are covering the entire 8 domains with the CISSP, whatever it is related to that. But you will be round about the entire thread. Let's suppose any of the ransomware, any of the malware is happening. So here in my YouTube channel, I always going to share with you. So what are the real-time attacks is also happening? How you can relate to the CISSP course material? Let's suppose that should be a CIA benchmark, confidentiality, integrity, availability. But is as per the current scenario or as per the current threat, how you can able to mapped with that CIA. Any of the conceptual clarity, any of the concept we are going to review or read here, or you'll be get a better clarity to understand the landscape and reduce the threat. Who is for? See, majorly when we talking about the CISSP, it is more into your CISO, CXO, CTIO and leadership role. It's the CISSP asking more than 5 plus of experience to take the CISSP course and certifications. But just I am highlighting you that those have the able to interest in cyber security, they all are very welcome to this course and the content, because I always give you a better clarity to understand the each and every parameter landscape and give you a most comprehensive roadmap how you can able to secure or how you can able to understand the fundamental clarity. So the instrumental approach, see, majorly we are taking approach here as a, let's suppose everybody know when we going to read any or see any videos. So our first approach will be we can review that videos, we can learn from them, we can make a note, we can discuss and practice everything. But I just suggesting one thing, whatever you have doubt in this video, just please drop a text on my chat box. I'll be try to reply you in a same day or allow me 1 2 days more, so I'll be give you a better clarity or better understanding. In case something that I found that is a more important something, then accept this course. I always every week like Saturday or Sunday I'll be release the entire another video to discuss the question there. Real Here we are going to discuss the real time scenario, like, just a second, let me open my pointers. So here we'll be discuss the entire real-time scenario, how the attack is happening, how it is coming from public to intranet, something is going to comes from market, let's suppose any ransomware or any of the assessment. So definitely we can discuss in this syllabus. So majorly I'm already discussed with the certifications and my expertise, but yes, definitely will be cover the entire landscape here. So the course content is structured the below. So majorly we have the CISSP segregated between 8 domains. Just a second, let me again. There is some issues with my pointers. Okay, no worries. So one first domain is your security and risk management, then asset security, architecture and engineering, communications and network security, identity and access management, and security assessment and testing, security operations, software development, security. So just highlighted to you that we are not going to skip any of the things. We are cover the entire things. More than that, let's suppose when we talking about your network security, then we can discuss lots of network architecture, devices, your how router work, how firewall work, how your like WAF, Akamai, honeypot, entire things, how the attacks will be happen, how we can prevent and defense from a cyber attack if something is happening with the real time world. So I just give you an entire real time scenario, whatever I have did get the exposure from market and industries, because we have did lots of OT environments. So when we're talking about the OT landscape, also there are lots of complex network. That also I'll be able to give you a little bit background. See, OT is not into your CISSP content or anything, but any of the course or content whenever we start learning, then definitely I can little bit give you and cover and relate to that domain, so you'll be able to give you fundamental clarity. Again, I told you that here my focus is not only for the CISSP, or I'm not only guy who can focus on the certifications oriented things, but if you take the knowledge, then take a little bit deeper, so you'll be able to get utilize and enhance your skill set, give your more context to and improve or enhance your thought process as per the real time world. Second opportunity for questions. So see, majorly I know that this is the video, and definitely here we are not able to real time basis, I'm not able to answer your all those questions. But again, I told you, whatever you have the questions, doubt, anything if you want to if I want to also improve, then please mention in my chat box. Definitely I can improve myself as well if I sorry, if I want to enhance some things, then please let me know, and definitely we can cover the entire things most probably. Here the next step would be the certification. So I just assure you and give you a clarity one thing, that once you complete the entire video, you have that, you will be get a better clarity, and your mindset will be completely changed. majorly focusing about the thought process of your thing. Let's suppose when you think from a router, you'll be able to understand that how it will be critical risk impact for my organizations. You will able to in a position that you are able to take decision that actually the things is actually you required or not. So for example, multiple organizations have invest lots of money, cr's of money they have invest to secure their environment. Like they have input at multiples router, multiples firewalls. But if that is not in a proper structure, if we are not following any proper process, that doesn't matter whatever they have implemented in their environment, if something is going to manipulate or attack, that will be attack. As simple it is. So our primary job will be not to you know always part from a security, and you know try to break and try to protect the environment. When we're talking about the red landscape as well, try to understand from a offensive and from a defensive perspective. If something going to hack, then how as a blue team will be going to protect them. So I'll be give you a detailed clarity for each and every domain. Whatever I'm saying, let we can in the next video we are completely cover the entire thing. How what's why what is CISSP, who will be organizations they are going to conduct the CISSP, what would the course content, what is the pricing, entire thing will be discussed in our next video. So please like and subscribe and share if you like this video, and make sure whatever I am saying each and every video I just give you a clarity and make you a proper note that what you think to needs to cover and focus on each and every domain. Because I'm not going to the my video will be not going to that 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. I always try to focus the small video with the concept. You'll be get a fundamental clarity with the real time scenario, and we'll discuss lots of things in there. And if you have any doubt, or if you want to give me some feedback to enhance something, or if you want to learn or understand my anything in a different way, that also let me know. I'll be try to improve that and enhance the things. Thank you so much. Thanks.